Hey everybody, it's me, Ivy. So today, anyways, for my new people, this is my natural hair. Anyways, I just want to get that out. Sorry for the lighting. It's very gloomy and cloudy and rainy. Well, it was raining, but anyways, so that's why yeah. Anyways, today I'm doing my Birchbox. I got my Birchbox yesterday while I was napping. My mom gave me a heart attack. Literally, like. Anyways, so yeah, very pretty. Like it. So, in here we have this wonderful lady that's telling her story. Um, we have the same resemblance gap, but hers is a little bit bigger than mine. But it's cool that we have the same thing. But I don't spit water through my gap. I can whistle through my gap. But that's kind of cool. And here's the products. So let's get started. That yellow thing. Cool, I brought tissue back. Oh, and also in here is a thing for me. Echo. Alright. So in here, it's a Balance Me Skin Serum. And it's the same brand as the Under Eye Stuff, but I ran out. So it's just, there you go. Sorry. Trying to get it. There's that. Um, this helps reduce pores, balance skin without drying it out. So that's cool. Oh, what else? That's the. And this is also natural. And yeah. So that's cool. I already asked. This is my sample that I want in my box. Alright, we have Given, whatever. Same company that I had was the purple, the blue, or clear. I think it's clear, and then one for curly hair. And they have one with hair and body. So that's cool. I don't know why I'm saying cool. Don't judge. Oh, for this guy, full size is 23. For this is a great size for traveling. Full size is 24. And for that, this is hydrating and helps with sun damage. That's good. I need that in my life. Alright, next is another MAC product. I have another lip gloss. This one is Per. That was so random. This is $17.50. Like, no, thank you. That is expensive. Ah, there we go. Anyways, so this is the color. Very pretty. And it smells like cupcake. I think it smells like cupcake. Yeah, it smells like cupcake. But it's a very pretty color. I also have another one. It's brown, I think? Yeah, brown. So I now have this pretty color. Alright. Next product. It is this Natural Lab Tokyo. It's a perfect smooth blowout lotion. Full size is $12. This is also, blowout, so it gives you volume and stuff. Like, I need volume. So I'm gonna give this to my mom. So this is what it looks like. And you can see the product right there. This is also cruelty free, so that's nice. And it's made in Japan, of course, because of the name. But I think this is a new brand. This is like a new product that I have in my Birchbox. So I'm gonna get that to my mom, because I like sharing. I also share with my sister. I have a Birchbox full of products. Oh, cool. I picked the right thing. So this little product, I don't know the name, but I have tried another product from this brand. That failed. This is a coconut oil plus oh my god, coffee sugar scrub. Ooh, wow, that's a mouthful right there. Body scrub. Full size is $36. Like, no thank you. This is also exfoliates, hydrates, detoxify, rich scrub. That's about it. Give in the shower massage into your body in gentle circular motions, then rinse. Oh, okay, I can use it in the shower. That's cool. But that's cool. That'd be cool to do. Use this and then shave. That's good. Okay, last thing I have is this real charm. Whatever. Let's do that. I'm like, oh, this is a cool sample. Let's see. This is a Rescue Essential Day Cream. And this anti-aging moisturizer quickly absorbs into skin to prevent touchable soft 12-hour hydration after cleansing and treating. Massage thin layer into your face and neck. Oh, that's cool. That's cool. 12 hours. Be nice if it was 24 hours. That'd be nice. But that's cool though. I would like to try that. Cool. So that's what that is. Oh, it's cruelty free, and paraben free, and sulfate free. That's cool. Alright. Oh, and this guy was $34 for full size. So, anyways, I hope you guys like what I got in my Birchbox for this month. And, yeah. I don't know what else to say. Comment, like, and subscribe, and click on the notification bell for more videos. And if you guys want me to do a video, just comment down below. Let me know what you want to see. Please help a girl out. I'm struggling. So yeah. I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye guys.